How would you like to help your software development team to perform in a very time efficient manner? Hello, my name is Tim McDermott. I'm a senior IT project manager. I do a lot of software development projects. I live in the beautiful city of Tampa Bay, where there's plenty of beautiful outdoor locations like the one that I'm at right now. This is E.G. Simmons Park. It's a beautiful beach here and a beautiful trail that I'll go hiking on later. Um, that's where I'm at. So what I'm going to talk to you about today is how do you help your team in a Scrum or Agile project management situation. How do you help your team to be more time efficient? One of the principles of Scrum and Agile is time boxing. Everything in Scrum is time boxed. It has a set start and it says a set finish. And you do not start until the start date and time, and you do not finish. You do not go beyond the finish time on anything. And you don't hear about this a lot, but also the days are time boxed, 8 hours a day in Scrum, and the work hours per week is time boxed at 40 hours per week. Beyond 8 hours in a day, then everything after the 8th hour is crap. It's worthless. The quality goes down after the 8th hour, and the quality of the work goes down after about the 40th hour of the week or something like that. So the work day needs to be time boxed, the week needs to be time boxed, and the sprint in particular needs to be time boxed. You don't want to go beyond the sprint, and you don't want to start working until it's time to start working on the sprint. There's a lot of temptation for the developers. They might be involved in getting the requirements together for story, and as soon as they start hearing requirements, they want to code, because that's what they love to do. They love to code. But you gotta wait until that story is ready, and it meets the definition of ready, and because it can change on you very quickly. So wait till the start date and continue on until the end of the sprint, etc. And then at the end of the sprint, stop, deliver whatever it is you have, even if it's not complete, but deliver that. So that's what time boxing means. The benefits of following time boxing, it's beneficial to have a regular cadence. It makes if the length of the sprint keeps changing, it makes it harder for people to understand the number of story points or hours they can get done in a particular sprint. If the sprint is consistent, then it's easier to calculate the velocity over time over multiple sprints. If the multiple sprints are the same, then you can get a good estimate. If they differ, then the estimate is going to be of a lower value, lower quality, lower accuracy. So having a defined sprint length that is consistently followed is very important for estimation and planning sprints and planning the release, which is multiple sprints. So stick to a consistent start and end date for your sprints and a consistent length for your sprints. So that's it. Holidays, of course, can cause the sprint lengths to vary, but just work around those. Never extend a sprint. It might be coming to an end of a sprint, and I might not be complete with all the pieces of work. Don't extend the length of the sprint. Keep it consistent. Don't change it. Just deliver what you have when the end of the sprint comes, no matter whether it's complete or not. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, then like the video. Click on like. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section and I'll answer them. If you like the video, please share it. As for me, I will go continue my walk down the beach. Thank you very much.